Today we are here at the backyard where cleaning needs some hands here. See lots of plastic bags in here. Now let's change this place to a wonderful walking space. The garden is full of lots of plastics and this one, so we'll make it worthwhile. Yeah, it's like that. So you can see I cleared already half of them almost. Then we need to make it something nice here over here. We'll show you once again. We are using this place for the walkway. Start digging little and making the street walkway little bit curve from here, and it will go from there and like that. From here it will go from there. These plastic items need to be cleaned properly. It's environmental, affecting environment and destroying, so we need to dispose them now. Now since I've made the way in the garden, it looks like this. This is the flower tree which has all the flowers on the ground, flowers falling on the ground. So let's see how it looks. See there. So, looks like that. Goes all the way from here and moves from here. Goes through there. So it looks like this now after completion.